हेलो गाइज, वेलकम टू माय चैनल सीएससी टेक सोल्यूशन। में आज की वीडियो में स्टार्ट करने वाले सी शार्प लैंग्वेज के बारे में। सी शार्प लैंग्वेज फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट। चलिए आज की वीडियो में स्टार्ट करते हैं सी शार्प फुल स्टैक डेवलपमेंट के फर्स्ट वीडियो। और इसमें हम लोग पढ़ने वाले सी शार्प में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सी शार्प लैंग्वेज प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज, एंड सेकेंड एएसपी डॉट नेट फ्रेमवर्क एंड डॉट नेट एमवीसी एंड लाइक दिस वी आर। हम लोग इसके बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं। ASP.NET MVC फ्रेमवर्क एंड सी शार्प के लैंग्वेज। चलिए आज की वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं सी शार्प के। सी शार्प प्रोनाउंस्ड सी शार्प is a modern versatile object oriented programming language developed by Microsoft in 2000 that runs on .NET framework. Whether you are creating window application, dividing into Unity game, then we have to use development or working on enterprise solutions. C Sharp is one of the top choice of the developer worldwide. Now let's move forward. We have to चलिए आज की वीडियो हम पढ़ते हैं सी शार्प के सम पॉइंट्स के फैक्ट्स एंड पॉइंट। सी शार्प originate from the C Sharp programming family and Sharp and share similarity with other widely used languages like C Sharp and Java. Mainly used to develop the desktop apps, window apps, games with Unity engines, mobile apps and web services etc. C Sharp is a primary language for developing games using Unity engines. Next point, with the .NET Core, C Sharp applications can run on Windows, Mac OS and Linux. And next point is the latest version C Sharp 13 was released in November 2024 alongside .NET 9. Now let's move for the syntax of the C Sharp. C Sharp. Here is the C Sharp, the world syntax of the C Sharp using system and class hello world program and method and static void main string args. These it is a main method to every time used to that whenever we are going to run the program and develop the program, that time we have to make this method. Like other language Java, a public static void main, like this it is the same of the Java language in C Sharp. And next is print hello world. This is the like print ln. It is the console dot write line, and we can also write console dot write like printing, like print. And now let's move for the in which in this C Sharp we will cover everything from beginners to the advanced level. We'll start with the basic like settings of your environment, C Sharp syntax and writing hello world program, data types and loop etc. After that we will start with advanced topic like object oriented programming, delegates, tuple, index, collection and multi-threading and link etc. We are video and we are starting. Let's move for the introduction of the .NET framework. This .NET framework is a software development framework developed by Microsoft that provide a runtime environment and a set of library and tools for building and running application on Windows operating system. The .NET framework is primarily used on Windows, while .NET Core, which evolved into just .NET starting from version 5, is cross-platform. The framework supports multiple programming languages such as C Sharp, A Sharp, and VB.NET, and support a range of the application type including desktop, web, mobile application, cloud, and gaming application. Like these all are the support the .NET framework language C Sharp, A Sharp, Visual Basic .NET, and It is also in the develop the like with desktop application, web application, mobile application, cloud and gaming application. These all are the developed in the .NET framework in C Sharp. Now let's move for the .NET programming language. .NET programming language के बारे में चले आज के हम वीडियो में समझते हैं क्या होता है और .NET में कौन कौन सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज यूज होते हैं और .NEट फ्रेमवर्क कौन कौन सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज सपोर्ट करता है, आज की वीडियो में कवर करते हैं। The .NET ecosystem supports various programming languages developed by Microsoft and third-party contributor. Some of the most widely used languages are C Sharp .NET, VB .NET, F Sharp .NET, C++ .NET, J Sharp .NET, and Iron Ruby, Iron Python. These all are the programming language and support the .NET framework. Now, our modern object-oriented language used for wide range of the application. C Sharp .NET it is support the object-oriented programming language and large area में large application बनाने में use करते हैं। और VB.NET a language designed for ease of use with syntax similar to traditional BASIC. Now let's move to F Sharp .NET, a functional fast programming language well suited for complex algorithm and data processing. Now let's move for the another points. C Sharp .NET, C++ .NET, and extension of C++ design of managed code application. Now let's move for the next one, J Sharp .NET, a language that provides .NET compatibility for Java developer. Now let's move for the next point, Iron Ruby, Iron Python. These the .NET implementation of the Ruby and Python languages also support the Iron Ruby, Iron Python. And other languages support the .NET programming language, JavaScript.NET, C, Omega, ASML, and more. These all are the programming language support. Is the .NET now let's move for these questions. Is the .NET application platform dependent or platform independent? We are study about in Java. If you are studying in Java, then you will easily understand this about Java is platform independent language. Like also C Sharp language .NET programming, it is of platform independent. Like C Sharp it is also platform, but C Sharp language, C Sharp .NET application platform dependent. By default, .NET application were designed to be platform dependent, primarily running on Windows, but because of Mono cross platform framework, .NET and .NET Core developer can run now .NET application on Linux, Mac OS, and even mobile platform. And now let's move for the Mono framework. When it is comes, then C Sharp .NET programming language also platform independent programming बन गया. The Mono framework developed by Novell, now part of Micro Focus, allow .NET application to run across different operating system. ये मोनो फ्रेमवर्क के कारण ही ये एप्लीकेशन .NET में जो बनता है वो प्लेटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट हो जाता है और ये मैनी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पे रन कर सकता है प्रोग्रामिंग .NET फ्रेमवर्क के में बना application. Now let's move for the important points. Visual Basic Studio is a developed tool that is used to design and develop .NET application. For using Visual Studio, the user has first installed the .NET framework on the system. Now let's move for in the older version of Windows OS like XP, SP1, SP2, SP3, the .NET framework was integrated with the installation media. Now next point, Windows 8, 8.1 or 10 do not provide a pre-installed version. 3.5 or later of .NET framework, therefore a version higher than 3.5 must be installed either from a Windows installation media or from the internet on demand. Windows update will give recommendation to install the .NET framework. Now let's move for the advantage of disadvantage. The advantage of the .NET framework, multi लैंग्वेज सपोर्ट। डॉटनेट फ्रेमवर्क का ये एडवांटेज है कि बहुत सारे लैंग्वेज को सपोर्ट करता है और बहुत सारे लैंग्वेज यूज करके हम इसमें एप्लीकेशन को डेवलप कर सकते हैं। द डॉटनेट फ्रेमवर्क सपोर्ट सेवरल प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज इंक्लूडिंग सी शार्प, एफ शार्प, विजुअल बेसिक, allowing the developer to choose the language that best suit their needs while still benefiting from the same set of libraries and tools. Now let's move for the another cross-platform compatibility via .NET Core and Mono. Although initially designed for Windows, the .NET framework can now run on various operating systems through .NET Core Mono, making it a versatile solution for cross-platform development. Now let's move for the next one, large and active developer community. The .NET framework benefits from a broad developer base, creating a rich ecosystem of libraries, tools, and resources. This help developers solve problem more easily and share solution across the community. Now let's move for the next point, security feature. ये बहुत security feature बहुत हमें अच्छा लगा. The framework includes various security features such as code access security, digital signature, helping protect application from malicious threats and vulnerabilities. Now let's move for the next point, productivity. It is the most useful to give the productivity .NET programming language. The set of pre-built library and tool offered by .NET accelerates development time, enabling developer to focus on business logic rather than reinventing common functionalities. Now let's move for the next point. Next disadvantage of .NET framework, window dependency. पहले था विंडो डिपेंडेंसी था, though it support on cross platform, the .NET framework was originally built for Windows, and certain feature may still be optimized primarily for Windows operating system. Now let's move on the next one, large footprint. The .NET framework installation is relatively large, which can be a concern for application running on device with limited storage or bandwidth. Now let's move for the next point, licensing cost. Some variants of the .NET framework may require a paid license, adding cost to development and deployment. Now let's move for the next point, performance considerations. Although the .NET provides excellent performance for the most applications, it may not be the ideal choice for high performance scenario where the low level hardware interaction or complex algorithms are required. Now let's move for the next point of the disadvantage of the .NET framework, learning curve. Although the .NET is designed to be easy to use, developer new to the platform may face learning curve, especially with the object-oriented programming language. Now thank you for watching my video. I will meet you next time. ये SQL सर्वर की ट्यूटोरियल हमेशा सी शार्प के ट्यूटोरियल और फुल स्टैक वेब डेवलपमेंट इन सी शार्प ऑन गोइंग प्रोसेस, डे बाय डे मैं वीडियो डालते जाऊंगा इसमें और आप लोग देखते रहिएगा।